belongs to mobile computing, that is anywhere, anytime computing. So whenever we go for ease, where we can do anything at any time with the help of mobile and the services provided by the banking and commerce industry, e-commerce industry, so at that time chances of cyber attack will increase. The developments in wireless technology have fueled this new mode of working for white collar workers. This is true for credit card processing too. Wireless credit card processing is a relatively new service that will allow a person to process credit card electronically. क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पर? Wireless credit card processing is a relatively new service that will allow a person to process credit card electronically, virtually anywhere. Wireless credit card processing is a very desirable system because it allows businesses to process transactions from mobile location quickly, efficiently, and professionally. It is most often used by businesses that operate mainly in mobile environment. Now here in the first paragraph, we are seeing why the more number of users are there, because of ease of financial transaction as well as internet and mobile cost. Now with the help of this diagram, we will see in detail card holder magnetic strip card, swipe to obtain magnetic strip data. Now manually what we will do, we will go and we will swipe it on a machine, and in that magnetic strip our information is stored, and once the information is matched, merchant server will inform acquiring bank, and the security control module will work and it will be on. Host security module check pin inside encrypted pin block with optional pin offset data. So here the two options are there, but if we will go in online mode, so we will see the magnetic strip data is not required, only we are putting the credit card numbers, and basically these are the same things. So in this way the working of credit card is explained here. There is a system available from an Australian company, Ella Ritty, called closed loop environment for wireless, CLEW. The above figure shows the flow of event with CLEW, closed loop environment for wireless, which is a registered trademark of elasticity used here only to demonstrate the flow in this environment. अब basic flow क्या है जो ऊपर हमने देखे? Now we are going to see this in detail. Merchant sends a transaction to bank. Merchant sends a transaction to bank. The bank transmits the request to the authorized cardholder. The cardholder approves or rejects. The merchant will request that one of your customer of your bank is want to use this services. Please allow me. Bank allow it, but bank allow it by the permission of cardholder in the form of a password. If cardholder put a password, it means it's accepted. If it not put, it means it's rejected. After putting a password, bank will or merchant is notified the credit card transaction is completed. So this is the flow, CFEW. Now we will see the security challenges posed by mobile devices. A mobile brings two main challenges to cybersecurity. First, on the handheld devices, information is being taken outside the physically controlled environment. And second, remote access back to the protected environment is being granted. क्या challenges है? पहला challenge क्या है? Handheld device information is being taken outside the physically controlled environment. We don't know where the mobile is and what is its location and though who is using it. We don't know about that. And second, remote access back to the protected environment is being granted. Perception of organization to these cybersecurity challenges are important in devising appropriate security operating procedures. अब ये जो दो इश्यूज को सॉल्व करने के लिए जो ऑपरेटिंग प्रोसीजर है ये बहुत ही प्रॉपर होने चाहिए. When people are asked about important in managing a diverse range of mobile devices, they seem to be thinking of the one shown in below figures. See here. All respondents broad experience of both smart handholds and wireless laptops. So these are the people important issues for managing mobile devices, security challenges. So here we can see percent is less, all respondent percent is high. Similarly, cost and complexity of device management, broad experience of both. So in this way, different parameters is mentioned for different users. User technical support issues. Perceptions of the organization to these cybersecurity challenges are important in devising appropriate security operating procedure. When people are asked about important in managing a diverse range of mobile devices, they seems to be thinking of one shown in below figure. As the number of mobile device users increases, two challenges are presented. Good, Rahim. Okay. So as the number of mobile devices users increases, two challenges are present. One at the device level called micro challenges and another at organization level called macro challenges. The problems associated with device will come under micro and problems related with organization will come under macro. Some well-known technical challenges in mobile security are managing the registry settings and configuration. Registry setting and configuration. Authentication service security. Cryptography security. Lightweight directory access protocol LDAP. Remote access server security REST security. Media player control security. Networking application program interface security, that is called as API, LDAP. So these are the challenges with mobile security and these are very important. What are the different cybersecurity technical challenges in mobile security? So registry setting, authentication service quality, cryptography security, RAS setting, LDAP setting and API setting. Now we will see each in detail. What is registry setting for mobile devices? Registry for mobile devices. Let us understand that issue of registry setting on mobile devices through an example. Just 1 minute. Active synchronization. Yes, so we are at a registry setting for mobile devices. The issue of registry setting on mobile devices through an example, Microsoft ActiveSync is meant for synchronization with Windows powered personal computer and Microsoft Outlook. ActiveSync acts as a gateway between Windows powered VC and Windows mobile powered devices. तो क्या है वो गेटवे है कंप्यूटर पीसी के बीच में और मोबाइल पावर डिवाइसेस के बीच में, enabling the transfer of applications such as Outlook information, Microsoft Office documents, picture, music, video, and application from a user's desktop to his device. So these are registry setting where we can transfer it, and we provide the security also from transferring the data from desktop to a device. Was just 1 minute. Okay, yes, sorry for disturbance. तो हम लोग पहली टाइप देख रहे थे मोबाइल डिवाइसेस चैलेंजेस में, सिक्योरिटी चैलेंजेस में, रजिस्ट्री सेटिंग. Yes, in addition to synchronization with the PC, ActiveSync can synchronize directly with the Microsoft Exchange server so that user can keep their emails, calendar, notes, and contacts updated wirelessly when they are away from their PCs. So in this context, registry setting becomes an important issue given the ease with which various applications allow a free flow of information. Next part is authentication service security. There are two components of security in mobile computing. Number one, security of devices and security in networks. So devices security and network security. A secure network access involves authentication between the device and the base station or web servers. This is to ensure that only authenticated devices can be connected to the network for obtaining the requested services. No malicious code can impersonate the service provider to trick the device into doing something it does not mean to. तो दो टाइप की सिक्योरिटी है, एक डिवाइसेस को लेके, एक नेटवर्क को लेके. अ सिक्योर नेटवर्क एक्सेस इन्वॉल्व्स ऑथेंटिकेशन बिटवीन डिवाइस एंड बेस स्टेशन और वेब सर्वर. This is to ensure that only authenticated devices can be connected to the network for obtaining the requested service. For this sentence, I will give an example of a simple example of GPay, where if device or SIM card change, or if you replace SIM card with the same number, in that case also, that will not work. So no malicious code can impersonate the service provider to trick the device into doing something it does not mean to. Thus, the networks also play a crucial role in security of mobile devices. In this way, device is also very important. Does the network also play a crucial role in security of mobile devices? Some eminent kind of attacks to which mobile devices are subject to are. अब किस किस तरीके के अटैक होते हैं मोबाइल डिवाइसेस पे? तो नंबर वन, पुश अटैक, पुल अटैक एंड क्रैश अटैक. Push, pull, and crash. Up attacks on mobile phones, mobile phone theft, this can be an attack. Enough target terminals. So we will see this first point, mobile phone theft, we will see the first point. The first Palm operating system virus was seen after the number of Palm operating system devices reached 15 million. The first instance of mobile virus was observed during June 2004 when it was discovered that an organization OJAM had engineered an anti-piracy Trojan virus in older version of their mobile phone game known as Mosquito. This virus sent SMS test messages to the organization without the user's knowledge. क्या कर रहा है ये वायरस? SMS text message को send कर रहा है without user's knowledge. Enough functionality. Mobile devices are increasingly being equipped with office functionality and already carry critical data and applications, which are often protected insufficiently or not at all. The expanded functionality also increases the probability of malware. Next is enough connectivity. A smartphone offers multiple communication options such as SMS, MMS synchronization, Bluetooth, infrared, and WLAN connections. Therefore, unfortunately, the increased amount of freedom also offers more choices for virus writers. So mobile viruses, concept of phishing, concept of wishing, concept of smishing, and hacking Bluetooth. So now what I will do, I stop here and I share a link with you.